Time up. Take action.
My name is Jiang Mu Zhao, and I come from China, and I'm in a gap year now, so I'll be glad to be Zagadodo. And first, I will present a legend in China. So it's a long time ago. So it's a love sex story. So a little bit sensitive, but it's quite classic style. So I'm lucky to be a storyteller for you. And okay, so it's a girl very beautiful, and once grew up in downtown, just like a countryside, and now the king was searching for a queen, and the king was escaped from the imperial city. Just check the forbidden city in Beijing. So when the king just arriving middle of the China, and when he passed by, he kissed every girl he meet and say, "I'm a king." So the girl will cheat. They will think it's real, so kind of like a fake. But when the real king come, and the girl's quite beautiful, I was referenced, and now refuse the kiss, and the king is quite annoyed because he can kiss everybody when you don't know I'm a king. So the girl was just, it's not a play cool, and just waiting for the lover and for the eternal life. And suppose the girl was a real people, but it's mystery. The girl was once a fox, so that's the reason why the king cannot kiss the girl, and the girl refused this love affair. So the king will get retired for later on, but he's still very young, and he want to kiss the foxy lady, but actually he failed. Now we go on to next part, when the girl in the daytime it's real people, but when night it's a fox, and kind of like a sexy ghost. And the king once saw the just chase the girl, which are a beautiful girl, and the girl just stay in a cave in the night. So the king just follow her step, and he suddenly see a lady was taking a shower, enjoy the cold spring out of the cave, and he saw it's the girl right there. So the girl didn't notice that, and the king say nothing, and then the moonlight come, the girl turns in the fox with night how can I say, tail, yeah. And then he's scared, but it's real. So he know the reason why he cannot kiss the girl, and the girl, which was a fox, will treat true love with a real man. So that's the next part. So coming soon tomorrow. So my first story part 1 is over. Now 3, 2, 1, starting in Chinese, and I prefer some Cantonese and other language. I will show you. I will say hi to everybody, and I feel happy to stay in Tagalolo. And in this old city, I smoke for the first time. I tried the Matas gift, and I cook with. Okay, don't tell them. It's our secret. Okay, so I will make 3 sentences with maybe 3 or 4 dialect for you. 大家好，晚上好，这里是 CCTV， 我是蒋木昭，现在在 Tagalolo 向你报道。我在这里非常的开心，认识了一些新的朋友，然后每天在这里游泳，然后你想象不到这里居然是一个没有中国游客的地方，所以说我非常享受这里生活，我都不想走了。Okay, this is first part for Mandarin Chinese. 你好啊，我都好開心，特別嚟到這個炸架路路啊，唔該晒咁樣我都好開心去呢度做菜啊 ，and 希望呢度生意越做越好啊。And OK another 3 OK。我爸爸妈妈，我在这个非常的开心，要认到蛮多的朋友，每天都在这个那个山泉水喝那个茶，要洗个裤子。我想讲爸爸妈妈会在爱你，要华电台听不懂我在讲什么，我就随便乱讲上去了。我讲完了，这样 ，so thank you everybody。